Hello guys, welcome to Ghana Lotto TV. So for today's midweek, we are using the software Smart Lotto Calculator. So this time I want to enter the things so that we all interact with the system together, so that I don't only show you a picture. Yes, so last week, this is the updated one, the one that produces just 5 numbers. This other one produces 10 numbers. So I'll prefer us to try the numbers for this. Yes, but I will show you at the end. I will show you what this one also produces. Yes, so this one last week, these are the draw numbers: 82, 15, 55, 67, 47 for the winning. Then the machines are 62, 30, 32, 44, 84. So last week we had 84, 14 in the game, but 84 played at machine and then the 14 came like this. In other words, the 84 played minus 2, 14 played plus 1. That was it. And we had 57, then it came this way, minus 10 plus 10. Alright, so let's see what happens today. So we are going to enter these same numbers here and see the predictions for today. This one produces 5 numbers, just 5 numbers. Then this one produces 10. When I'm done with this, I'll tap on calculate. This one will calculate its own, so that you can have a look at them. But we are trying for this. We are trying the 5 numbers from here. Okay, so give the video a thumbs up if you have not done so already, and if this is your first time, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, hit on the subscribe button. And this to everyone, hit on the like button. Support and motivate me. Support my effort and motivate me to do more. Alright, so let's go. Let's enter. We are entering these numbers into this. So the first one is 82. Then next we have 15. Next we have 55. Next is 67. Next we have 47 for the win, and then the machine side entering 62. Next 30. Next 32. Next 44. Then 84. 84. Alright, so you tap on calculate. You tap on what? Calculate. Then it will give you the suggested number you can try for the next game. Just 5 numbers. Boom. Alright. Hot 5, 40, 87, 73, 39, 65. Yes. Hot 5 for you. Midweek. So our 190 banker is 73. With second banker 40. 73.40. The 2 sure for the day. 73.40. 2 sure for the day. But all the numbers are hot numbers. They are hot numbers. Give it a try if possible. Okay, so those of you that want the predictions for the old version for the 10 numbers, let me tap on it, calculate, then you see them. Yes, so these are the predictions from the old version. Predictions from the old version. Those of you that want to try it, yeah, those of you that want to try, you can give it a try, or you can make some selections from it, But this is my game for today, the 8th October 2025. This is my game, Hot 5. Give it a try if possible. Alright, if you have not liked the video yet, hit on the like button. And as I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, hit on the subscribe button. Alright, good luck and see you tomorrow for Fortune Tuesday predictions. Bye.